Hello guys, this might be our last print at Makerspace. This might be the last print. I hope this will be the final one. So we have utilized our complete resin which I have ordered for this particular purpose. I'm putting it in a cleaner now. I'll keep it for 10 minutes. Oh shit. After this we'll put it in microwave and test the display is fitting or not. That is our last print in Chaihuo. If that works, then it will be the last day in this place. A beautiful place. The best decision what I have made coming here. Because all the experiment I have done. I think I have done the best decision by joining the space. So this is a vision I took the first day, I think second day coming here. So it has got a cool place. It has got a lot of electronics items to work on your prototype and tools. There is a CNC machine, literally an assembly machine, but it doesn't work. But there's a complete fab lab setup here. And there's a lot of 3D printers also. There are a few personal and few makerspace. The best printer and best thing what I have used here is the Lab 4. It's the XLA printer, a printer, a cleaner, and a microwave. And there are a couple of other printers, but it is mostly personal use. And in the corner, there are two printers. One is A1 and A1 Mini, which are freely usable printer. Unfortunately, this printer has got cut. I think it will not print, or the two print might come. There are a few filaments like you are free to use it, but it's suggested that get your filament and get your resin to print your stuff. And not only that, like there are a lot of components here, like you have to run for Workspace to prototype your product. You just need to talk to the guy. I think they supported by this. I think this is the best place. And if you come to the other side, so there's a space. So this is the entry, and there's a small lobby they have. There's a lot of so there's a space. So the first impressive part I felt about the space is this. They have a full massage chair here. What's their respect about makers and builders? They understand, they know that like the makers get tired. They have a massager whenever you want, you can use. So there is a working space, you can sit whenever you want. Really good tables. So this is right. Yeah, so a lot of people working on a lot of products. There's a small workspace, I think most probably it's a person. Yeah, so there's a working space. So there's the Chaihuo Makerspace for you guys. And show you other interesting things what you really like to use here. You will find a rack here. She told that these all can be used for your project. These are all recycled things. There's left out things. So you dig in if you want, if you think you can use it for your project. Yes, you can use it. If you are a builder, if you are a maker, let me go to a space where you want to fast your process. I think it is must, or if you can afford, my suggestion of building 10 years of electronics products, being in a space, take that call of coming to Shenzhen and join here. This is where you can start your product to idea to product journey. But it's must visit. So best place, best people, best networking. Give a try if you can. It's must. Thank you.